Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to RCT Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix in AdSense that is not approved. So, as you can see, my AdSense, it says errors. So, the monetization has been paused. Fixing AdSense. So, I'm going to click on Change Association. So, I'm going to click on Proceed. They want to verify if I'm the one. So, I'm going to enter my password again. So, the notification I want the notification to show on my phone. So they want to show maybe I'm the one. So I'm going to accept it on my phone. So yeah, I've accepted it. So now I'm going to click on yes, I have an existing account. So I've created another AdSense that was approved. I'll click on continue. So I'm going to link it to the approved AdSense. Remember, try to get approved AdSense. So I'm just going to click on it. This is the approved AdSense. I'm going to click on it. So it's going to redirect me to the AdSense. It's going to redirect me to YouTube AdSense. So it's loading. As you can see, these are the details there. So I'm going to click on accept association. So it's loading. So it opens in AdSense now. As you can see, it says it redirects me back to YouTube. So it's going to redirect me back to YouTube. As you can see now, it's loading. It's going to change now. So remember, you have to add approved AdSense when you have this kind of situation. So if you don't want to wait for any approval again, as you can see, it's done. So guys, that's how you can make this. As you can see, the step 3 is in progress. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Smash the like button, turn the notification bell, and subscribe to